Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's enjoyed what we've shared a little bit about how Town for Tire uses the Click engine to build our customer relationship database. Today, I just wanted to show a little bit how Town for Tire uses Click in the front end visual to allow us to better use Google AdWords, Bing ads, to improve our cost per click, improve our click-through rate. So you can see here our campaigns. We have our brand campaigns, we have generic terms, but you can see that we have a 0, 1 in front of them, and then we have 0, 2. These are our vehicle types, how people search for SUV tires or crossover tires. Then below that, we have snow tires or summer tires or touring tires. Then if you keep on going, we get into the brand specific. So you see, Sumitomo, Toyo, Nanking. So you can see there's always a number, and then there's a dash, and then with the state. So we have Connecticut, either Mass, Rhode Island. So you can see, and then below that there's the vehicle types. So, but if you drill into each one, you actually have the ad groups. So the reason we do this and we code these is so that when we export all of this using Click has AdWords connector, Google Analytics connector, and also has multiple different connectors. But you can see in Click what we do is we build it in here. You can see that we have the clicks. You can see that this is for one day last week on Tuesday, and we were up 46% increase. And then we had a cost increase of 39. So the reason our cost was down is because we had a cost per click decrease of 3 cents. So it allows us to visually see on a top level view where we're at. And then you can see here down at below, we have the ability where I mentioned that we have the campaigns, the categories. So that allows us to take all those campaigns and put them into a nice treetop view. So now say I wanted to see into my tire brands and see how I can improve performance in one of my campaigns. So just give this a second. Again, this is pretty quick. It's not the fastest, but it's pretty quick once it's in there. So you can see now I'm looking at all my brands, but you can see everything looks good except Hankook. So that's Hankook, Connecticut. But how do I know if it's all of Hankook? I can come over here and using the Click interface, I just search Hankook, and then what it'll let me do is that it's going to give me an idea. Oh, right. It's just really that's the Connecticut terms, but I can see that that's the issue. So my clicks last year versus this year in Connecticut were much better. But I got to look at everybody else. So was it an anomaly last year, or versus this year? Like did I not have enough negative keywords last year? And that's what, because every other campaign looks like it's more consistent with Connecticut. But you can see what I would do next is that now I'm in here. I can just focus on here. And then what's neat about this is that I can then drill in again, and I can see, it's the tires ad group and the Dynapro ad group. And then now I know where I'm going to direct myself over in the actual platform. Now, this requires a lot more work to build the mainframe, get the infrastructure right on the AdWords and Bing. We have the same model on both AdWords and Bing. So you have to, it takes time. And we started doing this back in 2013. So, but this allows us to really connect all of that analytical data in the world of analytics and AdWords and Bing, and connect it to our customer order, the appointment details, and really take that customer journey and customer experience to the next level. So this is a little bit about Town for Tire, again, using ClickView. This is ClickView. This is not ClickSense. It doesn't need to be beautiful. This is for us. Only thing we need to do is find out where the issue is. You know what I mean? So I hope everybody enjoyed a little bit of a visual of how you can use ClickView, ClickSense, or whatever, importing Google AdWords and all your digital marketing and marketing. So I hope everybody enjoyed your day or enjoy your day, and I hope you enjoyed the little sneak peek.